Hello investors, today I will present you how I analyzed Albemarle Corporation step by step. So first of all, I went to its homepage, albemarle.com, and I searched for investors, and from that page I downloaded all the recent reports, recent presentation from September, recent 10Q report, proxy statement, and also the 10K, the annual report of the company. From that information, I tried to understand the company. I think basically I understand the company. This is not a deep understanding, but I understand basically what the company does regularly, and how where are the customers, who are the suppliers, and how the company can basically generate income. So the products, three segment: lithium, bromine, catalyst segment. The customers of Albemarle is all around the world, so around 2,300 customers, and no individual customer represent more than 10% of the net sale of the company. Industry, of course, it's chemical. It's a corporation, manufactures, distribute, and does some service. Headquartered in US, Charlotte. It has a long history from 1887. Started with a paper manufacturing company. Has it been good historically? Yes, it is good historically, and has a long history. And now it's tried to change the direction of the company with a lot of investment in lithium. Will it be good in the future? I think yes. The company invests heavily in lithium production, which is the fuel of the electric cars, and all the electrification around the world need lithium, and therefore I think the company found the right way to go ahead in the future. Okay. The company has some special moat. Company has several patents, and also experience in a chemical industry, and the scale what can provide. So market growth is good. I believe so. The internal combustion engines will be changed to electric cars more and more. We will see electric cars, and all the electrification need lithium, and this is what the company tried to do in its lithium segment, to grow in lithium production. Is it shareholder friendly? Yes, it's a dividend champion. It pays dividend for more than 25 years. It's a great achievement. Not many company can tell about itself. It repurchases shares. The highest compensated executive is Luther Kissam with 6.6 million USD. There are great owners of the company: Vanguard with 11.9%, Franklin Research with 8.7%, BlackRock with 7%, and all the others. Yes, repurchase search currently has 2.2 dividend. Is it inexpensive? We will figure it out in the next slides. Okay. The next, I looked at the company, what are the operation metrics. I calculated from the 10K statement the recent operation metrics. Return on capital employed, it's 10% around. Without cash, it's 11, so it's pretty good. I can accept these metrics. Free cash flow is negative. So as I said, the company invests heavily in lithium production. That's why the capex is needed, and the free cash flow is negative. Okay, let's go to the next. It shows I tried to evaluate based on the enterprise value and the operation income of the company. enterprise value per operation income shows 12, which is pretty high. I would want to have below 10, because this way my risk is much lower. For that, either the price has to go lower, or the company has to generate more income in the future, which is what the company is trying to do. Okay, let's see the presentation. So from this presentation, you can see the main numbers of the company. So it employs globally 5,600 people, and its space it's a little bit higher. The dividend here it's 2.3. Market capitalization 6.7 billion, and the main segment is lithium and bromine, and companies tries to improve the lithium production, and from that the money should come. So in lithium, global ranking is #1, which is great if the electrification will happen. So bromine specialist, it's #2, and catalyst also #2 worldwide. So great company. Okay, major milestones, but I want to show you that the total lithium market demand estimates. So from that level, the company will enormously increase its demand. So the company tried to do the right things to invest in lithium production. As you see, currently this is the nameplate production, and increase to more than twice this production. It means if it's really happens, really the electrification comes, the company income will substantially increase. Even though I consider the valuation of the company a little bit high, but if this growth happens in the future, then the current price is justified. But even if I would invest some amount of money and watch closely the company, and if opportunity comes, invest more in this company, because it's a great company with long dividend yields, so pays more than 25 years dividend, and generate from the next year's free cash flow. So the dividends will be covered. Currently, yes, it's not covered, but with advancement, they will cover the dividend, and I'm pretty sure they won't cut the dividend, because the company has long history, and if the investments in lithium will bring the fruits, then I don't see a problem. But if you don't believe in electrification, then don't invest the company. Personally, I believe it will happen in the automotive industry, and I try to build up my position in Albemarle. Thank you for listening, and wish you a nice day.